Okay, today is May 30th. And we shot it right at, what, 9 o'clock?
Yep.
Done.
So here's Chase from the Bear Woods.
It's my light's probably in the way.
Oh, that's good.
Crazy day. Watching a moose. And out comes a bear.
Good job. And we get some meat for the freezer.
Yeah, because we're running low. Running low in that department.
So we're in the thick bush. The woods, as some of you may call it. We're just gonna gut this bear out and then bring it home. Probably butcher it tomorrow. Good job, babe.
Thanks.
Chase gave me his wedding ring because he always seems to lose it when he's hunting.
Last fall I shot a bull, I was gutting it. Same thing, lost my wedding ring. We had to butcher it up and carry it out of the spot. Went in there the following morning after it snowed, and sure enough I found my ring.
He also lost it the day after our wedding for a week. Thank God it's silicone, but he just really loves it. What a guy. We found it in the driveway.
2 weeks later.
Was it 2 weeks or 1 week? I can't remember. 2. Are you saving the heart?
Why not?
Sweet.
Crocs are not the right apparel for this.
What are you talking about? You love your Crocs.
I do.
What you doing there?
Watching the blood up. So we got the bear out of the bush. It was not a bad gig when I shot him. He ran uphill, which was very fortunate because it was easy pulling him out. We backed the truck actually into the ditch and dragged him straight into the box. So
We just pulled them up.
pulled him up, big boar,
Yeah.
decent sized boar I should say. Not huge, but for this area here, it's a good one.
So we're just gonna head home and
Deal with the rest of them.
yep. See you soon. Wait.
A long night.
Well, as long as we want it to be, we have tomorrow too.
Yeah.
Chase is off tomorrow.
Days off.
It's May 31st, the day after Chase harvested his black bear. We were up pretty late last night. I think I went to bed at 2 and Chase stayed up till 4, so it's now the afternoon and we're kind of just getting into our groove. For this bear, we're gonna render some fat. We're gonna keep the tenderloins, back straps, and then we keep the shanks. And we'll just food savor those. And I think the rest of the meat's just gonna be sausage and burger. I do have an older video just about rendering bear fat if you want to go back in the YouTube videos and check it out. We like it. I personally like to make a lot of body cream with it, but we cook with it sometimes too. So we're here in the garage doing a little bit of butchering, and I just wanted to talk about the shank. We don't use it for sausage meat, we just clean it up, take it off the bone, and freeze it. And then when we're ready to eat it, we throw it in the slow cooker for about 10 hours and everything breaks down in there and it's like this delicious, tender, gelatinous meat.
If you just try to cook this any other way, those are like basically like cords. But when you put it in the slow cooker and just let it simmer right down, and
Everything breaks down.
yeah, and it actually, even this big white cord here will even turn like gelatinous. Yeah, it's like a soft.
Good for your skin. Nature's collagen. So we're doing the butchering in the garage. I already got the bear fat rendering on the stove. So every time I come in here, I just give it a stir. I like to do it long and slow so it renders out nicely and all the liquid is removed from the fat.
So we're gonna wrap up our bear video. We got our bear in the freezer. I'm munching away on some cracklings here. They're so delicious. And probably next we'll make a sausage making video.
Yeah, people always ask us about our sausages because we make all our own, so it's about time we make a video. Share some secrets.
Yeah.
But till then,